Welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture we are going to study a topic called intent. Now the question is, what is intent? So the meaning of intent in terms of Android is intention to perform some action, or you can say that the intent is used to perform some action in Android operating system. The intent can be used in variety of ways, such as start an activity, or you can say that they launch a new activity screen, start a service, or intent is also used to deliver a broadcast message to a broadcast receiver. So this is our intent. It can be used to start an activity, to start a service, or deliver a broadcast message to broadcast receiver. So we can conclude that without the intent we can't start a service, activity, or even deliver a broadcast. So intent is the main topic, or you can say that the main concept in Android framework. So that's all about this lecture. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.